I really wanted to like start today's video with like a little story time, and then I realized I got nothing. There's just absolutely nothing going on in my life. Nothing. So I guess I'll just jump into this haul. I went to 2 different Dollar Trees. One ran out of bags, and I think they were giving people their stuff in a trash bag. And then this store right here, so I'm gonna split it up by stores. I don't know why that would be fun, but like, let's just do that. This one's actually pretty small, but look what I found. I'm so excited for these. I love when like the OG composition notebooks make an appearance at Dollar Tree. This is as OG as it gets. And they of course have it in black, but I already have several versions of those. The color ones you don't see as often, at least not in the stores that I'm shopping at. So I had to get them in these colors. I'm trying to remember if they have this in yellow at Dollar Tree. If they do, comment down below and let us know if you're seeing yellow. But yeah, it's just a good old composition notebook. And I actually do sell my own on Amazon, but the inside pages are for a book reading log. So if you've watched my reading logs that I used to set up handmade from Dollar Tree, I actually created one where I did all the work for you guys, and all you have to do is like paste the cover of the book that you're reading, and then you can just like write you know, about that book. I wish I had an example for you guys, but everything's packed away in a moving pod. I don't have anything. Okay, I have clothes and that's it. So anyways, I digress. I was really excited to get those. Anytime I see composition notebooks, I just go home with them. I grabbed another one of these Jot notebooks, has 100 pages. This is what I live by with my to-do list. Every day I touch my little notebook. This size is just perfect for me. It's just been like the notebook that I've realized, yeah, everything about it just works. The amount of pages, I can pick different colors for different things, and I'm always using mine, and it just sits on my desk. So I found a black one. It's so chic. Had to get one. So there's that. And then I got these little like address or weekly planners. I don't know why I was thinking address book, but they do have those. They have this like larger version and the smaller version. The black definitely stood out to me. Again, I just thought it looked chic. The thing about these is that I really haven't seen Dollar Tree update the interiors at all. Like, I feel like they've been the same since like 2016. But like, you know what? Here we go. Might be nice to kind of get an update. And then you've got this like little smaller pocket size. Even though I wear a bum bag, so my purses have really become a lot smaller. It would be nice to kind of carry a little planner with me. Even though I also put things into my phone, I don't know, is anyone else like that? Like, I will put my planner stuff in like 15 different books. I don't know why I do that. I just need to be able to access it wherever I want to access it, I guess. So anyways, found those two. And then I found silicone rings. Like, what? I found them in multiple sizes. Like, here they are. Maybe you need them for work or for, I don't know, some type of project. I really don't know what else you could do with silicone rings other than use them for their intended purpose. But if you have any ideas, comment down below. And it's a 5-pack. Fits small here. Those are the sizes, so it gives you the sizes there. And yeah, so that's definitely new. Now this item, the last item from this one, is this soap dispenser. I'm pretty sure I've hauled something very close to this, if not maybe like the exact same thing. But this was in the bonus section. $3 for this. Honestly, I think that's a steal. I love how modern and fresh and also farmhousey this looks. And it says pure soap on it. Little like soap dispenser. I just thought for $3, yeah. Like, I would definitely scoop that up in like a TJ Maxx or a Home Goods kind of thing. So that's that store. Now this store, I had much better luck. And so let's just dive into that. I picked up another one of these stickers. Kind of gives me like steampunk. Sorry about the lighting, but super cute. It does have like this faux leather feel to it as well. And I found this one with a little baseball. I mean, the Rangers, Texas Rangers are doing so good. Like, I'm so excited. But how cute is this? So I just want to say, I have to say to the parents who have their kids in baseball, I don't know how you do it. I don't, because that's your whole life. I mean, I thought competitive cheer was bad. No. So hats off to you. I found this little set, and this one's been around for a while, so I thought I'd grab it again. It's just really cute. What do you say about it? You know what I mean? This little surf one right here, this one I really like. I also found the camping one. I don't even know if I have this camping one. And it makes me want to go camping. I've done camping several times, but it's been such a long time. That was random information. And then I told myself that if I saw the hot air balloons and this like steampunk look to it, that I would pick up more of them. So I did. Like, they're just so pretty. Right? So I got those. Next up, I bought more socks. They were actually on my list. I've been wearing more of the like no-show socks, and I really like these from Dollar Tree. They were pretty thin. When you feel them like this, you're like, ooh, cushiony. But they're double layered. You actually get a 2-pack in each, so I think it's like 4. Yeah, I think you get like 4 total pairs of socks in here, if I'm right. I don't know if I'm right, but I think I am. Anyways, I need to get some more, and you guys know I don't buy my socks anywhere but Dollar Tree. I actually bought another pack, but I already had to open it because I needed them. Okay, next up, this is pretty random, but I got these plant labels. I thought I might want to like try them or use them in some format in my junk journals. So, do what you will with that information. Now, I got this to taste it. The orange Hostess cupcakes. However, I don't think I can because I forgot that I had bought this when I was out shopping and I left it in my car in the dead of the Texas heat. I can't do it. Next up, I was so happy to see this kind of coming back, these little LED lights. I adore these, and yeah, this has the silver wire. Make sure you're reading that because they will do wires in different colors, so silver, gold, and I've seen them do it in rose gold as well. These are just cute. You can put them in vases, centerpieces. Yeah. Okay, next up, I picked up the Jot Sticky Notes has these. This is definitely a new pack. They also have it in just a solid of the yellow. And whenever I see Post-it notes, I think of Romeo and Michelle's high school reunion. Like, of all things they could have been the inventors of, it was Post-it. Hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. So anyways, got that. Okay, I know I already picked some of this up, but I wanted to get it again because I wanted it for myself. And this is the Sleep Easy Bath Soak in lavender. I want to get into doing more soaks in my body. So that's why I got that. Then I don't know why I picked this up, but this is definitely like one of those really random things at Dollar Tree. You just gotta always be on the lookout for. You just never know. These are shoelaces, but they have like this little like 4th of July look to them. So maybe you might have a use for something like this. Maybe tying in a centerpiece or a wreath or something. I don't know. Maybe you're tying back like the bunting banners or whatever. Or if you're creating a banner with like fabrics and stuff, this could be cute as an additional layer. Then I picked up this little Boss Babe hair clip. I thought it was cute. I'm just gonna put this away for my junk journal stash. Although I'm 100% positive I've hauled this before. Got it again, I guess. Okay, this little item is absolutely adorable. I could not pass this up. It just takes me back and reminds me of Micro Machines. This was heavy in like, I think the late 80s, early 90s. And it was just Micro Machines. The cars were just super tiny. And my brother had the rug, you know, with Old Town, and I remember playing with it, and it was just like, it's such a good memory till this day when I think about it. So it definitely reminds me of Micro Machines. It looks like there's several in the collection, and I did get this for my little nephew. So I think he might be still too young. It does say 3+, and he's gonna be turning 2 in September. Okay, then I picked up this little brush. This was on my list because I need a brush to like bronze like my lips, just to kind of make my lips look a little bit more plump, or just kind of add like definition there. So I needed a little brush just for that, and I got this one. So there's that. Then I found this little Dallas Cowboy. So this is gonna be a no for me. Been telling you guys that I'm gonna be grabbing items from Dollar Tree and telling you that there's just a no for me, but this is just my opinion. It doesn't mean that it's an actual no in reality, if that makes sense. But the reason why this is a no for me is the loyalty word. Why? Why? Like, even if it's like part of like the Cowboys thing, it's such an awkward word for a piece of decor, in my opinion. Like the boys, da boys, Cowboys, anything but this. And then the period. Okay, it's enough for me. All right, then I found Bolero Put Out Body Wash for Men. Found eucalyptus and charcoal and cedar wood and sage. Look how gorgeous these are. I know Father's Day is past, but this could be for a care package. It could just be, you know, someone's birthday coming up, or just to do a restock for your guy. You know, I don't freaking know. I don't have one. Don't ask me. Yeah, that smells good. Even with the seal, you can smell it. That's eucalyptus and charcoal. Let's see. Cedarwood and sage. I just know that's got to smell. Bolero is just doing it. Bolero is just doing it. That's all. Okay. And we're going to end this with some cards. They are my favorite. They're probably going to be in today's thumbnail. Whenever I see Spider-Man, I think of Micah. You guys already know she loves Spider-Man. Now, why do I have this? Like, she's not gonna want this. She's 22 years old. She's gonna look at me like I've lost my damn fucking mind. Okay? But I got it anyway. Do you ever just buy things and you can't explain it? Then I found this one, which I thought was so pretty. So my goal whenever I look at cards at Dollar Tree, I look at them from a crafting perspective, from a junk journaling perspective. I rarely use them as actual, like, card. No, that's not true, actually. Like, all my Christmas cards, birthday cards to anyone, they're all from Dollar Tree. However, 90% of the time, they're for crafting. And I found this one with the hot air balloons. Now, there's words here, but I can cut around and use that image. It's just so pretty. And then, of course, always grab your envelope, because envelopes are some of my favorite things for junk journaling. So I found that one. And then these. These are a brand new drop. Brand new. And when you look at all of them, you can tell that they all have this like cohesive thing going on. Like they all, like, can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, they're absolutely gorgeous. So let's look at this one. This one has a little blueberry theme. I didn't even pick up all that they had. They had so many others. I probably didn't pick up 7 or 8 others. So I just picked up the ones I really loved, and I might pick up the other ones later, but the little blueberries are so freaking cute. So this one's like a happy birthday thing, but I can definitely cut around and just use this image. The lemon, the oranges, the best in this entire collection. Like, look how stunning that image is. Cut around it, use it for crafting, all that stuff. Absolutely gorgeous. Even this like little strip right here you can cut down and use. Look at that. Absolutely, just, it blew my mind when I saw it. My jaw dropped. And the camera, of course, is never going to do it justice. So if you pop into Dollar Tree, just go take a look at them, because in person, the glitter does it. Like, it just does. You know, you can't really see the full effect on camera, but it's a whole nother thing when it's in front of you. It truly is. This one's just so pretty. It has a bunch of flowers and what looks like little berry picks, peaches, like what? And then they had a lot of floral and butterflies, but those were some of the ones that I didn't really get. But this is the one I did, obviously. So, stunning. And that's it. That is my haul for today. I know on the smaller side, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below and let me know what from all of this you're gonna be on the hunt for. And I'm gonna be coming back soon. I'm gonna start an additions theme with you guys for Dollar Tree. I'm gonna have like an office edition, a cleaning edition, a purse edition, like things that will go in a purse from Dollar Tree, a junk journal edition, and I'm gonna be buying a lot. So it's gonna be a heavy, huge hauls for you guys within all of these little editions. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you don't want to miss out, and I'll see you guys there.